2007, and room 2007 is a SoHo Premier Two Queen. You can get it in a king room, then there's only one king bed. On the way down to the room we found the ice machine and a Pepsi vending machine. No Coke on this floor. The hotel is styled like you are in New York, and it's actually one of the better styled hotels in Las Vegas. And it's on the cheaper side. What the price is, I will let you find out. Well, we're nearing up the room. We can see out the window here that they're nearing the other tower. And here we have it, room 2007. Welcome to the room. Let's start with the little view. We have lots of windows we're gonna look out today. It's a double queen SoHo Premier room. There's a bathroom, there's a sink, there's some hand wash, some lotion, a mirror, a big mirror and a man. And please remember, the man is not included. There's some towels, a shower curtain, and behind the shower curtain is actually a bathtub with a little towel for the floor. There is some body wash, some shampoo, normal American shower, normal American toilet, and of course some toilet paper and some paper. Well, let's have a look at the room. A lot of art on the walls. Another mirror, another man, still not included. In this room we had two queen size beds. There is a little desk between the desks, no, between the beds. There are some lights. There are some extra outlets and some USB and USB-C outlets. That's actually the first USB-C I think I've seen in a hotel. We got two chairs, funny enough, not the same chair, but that's okay. In this window, we can actually look out to Park MGM. We can also see the roller coaster. Next window, almost the same. We have T-Mobile Arena. We have Park MGM. We have Aria and some other hotels. And we can see the mountains in the back. We also have a night view, of course, later today. The other way, we can actually see the Excalibur and a lot of parking garage and a lot of Las Vegas and another sport arena. Let's go back. It's a little funny built, this room, but it's a rather big room. There's a TV, again, rather big TV. There is some drawers where you can have all your stuff. There's nothing in them, but you can have all you want. A safe for all your winnings. I don't quite sure this is big enough for my winnings, but let's start with that. Some more. There is a hairdryer, empty, and an ironing board, and of course an iron and some hangers. We have a little mirror over here also. We have a ice bucket, some glasses. We have a cupboard here with a refrigerator. Not many rooms in Vegas has a refrigerator, and that is one of the things that does. This is a prime room, that it has a refrigerator. Another drawer, another drawer here, and here there is some washing things if you need to wash some of your stuff. Then we have a little secret room over here. There's nothing in it, but we can hide something or somebody. And again, there's a little window here. There's a lot of windows in this hotel, and we can actually look down at the pool area from this window. I don't think we can do that from our windows. And again, a little mirror. Once again, man not included. Two queen size beds, as I told you. You can also get this room with one king bed. The room size is the same, but the bed is bigger, and there is a little couch in there in those rooms. nice beds, and of course a remote for the TV, and a little greeting from Stephanie, who actually cleaned this room, and it's just okay clean. There's nothing much to say here. So let's take a little look on the room, and you hear from me after my stay.
Well, as you can see in the room, it's a rather big room. We actually enjoyed our stay. More on that later. Let's just have some more views of the room, so we actually can get a feel for it.
Well, let's take a look out the windows at night. Let's go down to the other windows. Not all of them, because as we saw before, there's a lot of windows. Let's take the same view out here where we have Excalibur and the Vegas Valley and Park MGM, T-Mobile Arena, and the closed pool. Again, you can see a lot of the fancy hotels over there, the area, and if you look very good, you can see the Cosmopolitan just between the towers over there. And the Rio lighting down red and blue over the horizons.
Well, let's take a little walk around. As you can see, and you maybe already guessed, downstairs there's a casino. The name was a little giveaway. It's not the biggest casino on the strip. It's okay. But you're next to the Excalibur. You're next or just across the road you will find the MGM. And next to the property, Park MGM. So you can rather quickly walk to a larger casino if you would like some more machines. I found this casino okay for our size and okay for winnings. There's a lot of restaurants also. They got everything from Chinese to, of course, a lot of New York style food like pizzas and hot dogs. We can see here is cinnamon. Once again, you can walk to the other casinos for food. So there's the buffet at Excalibur, or all the restaurants on at the MGM. Well, we liked our stay. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.